What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover the search history of Google Chrome. So first you need to head over to the Google Chrome and then you need to hover to history and then click on history again. And after that, you just simply need to delete the history. As you can see, I am deleting this history by the date. And as you can see, I am deleting the history of Wednesday, 3rd of September. I'll click on delete and then click on remove. After that, here in the new tab, I'll just simply open my activity uh, and space Google. After that, I'll hit enter. And after hitting enter, you will see the first website of Google of my activity. As you can see, this is the website. Welcome to my activity. Simply give it a click. And after entering here, you just simply need to search for the 3rd September. I'll just go with the date directly, 3rd September. And after that, I'll simply hit enter or I'll just wait. As you can see, I will just scroll it for you and show it to you. This is the date of 3rd September of 2025 and this is my history of 3rd September. So this is how you can restore your deleted history on Google Chrome. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.